This tutorial shows you how to view your search, browsing, and app history on Windows. First, open your browser. Go to myactivity.google.com. After that, sign in with your Google account if prompted. From there, you'll see a list of your recent activity, like searches, sites visited, and videos watched. At this point, tap the three dots next to any item to delete it or find out why it's shown. In the next step, tap Filter by Date and Product on the left side. Select a specific date range or product to narrow down your activity. Following this, tap Delete at the top if you want to remove activity. Choose Delete Activity By, then select a time range, like last hour, last day, or all time. Once done, tap Delete to confirm. From here, tap Manage My Activity verbally on the left if you want to check voice activity separately. Keep in mind, some activity may still be saved to other places, like your device or specific apps, even after deleting it here. Finally, tap the menu on the left and explore Activity Controls to turn off tracking for specific services. And that's it! If this guide helped you check your activity on Google, give it a like, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!